It's hard to put into words the feelings you get as you walk into the totally restored Grand Hall here in the front of Michigan Central. You imagine the feelings people had when they first walked in this facility back in 1913 when it opened, or maybe the feelings of the 4,000 passengers who came through here every day back in the 40s.
So many people have personal connections to the building, but even if you don't, you can feel the history, you can feel the extraordinary power of it.
This used to be the area where people would gather to wait for trains. Near term, this area and the Grand Hall will be used for events. It really is an amazing space.
The future is this becomes a thriving epicenter of the tech and innovation hub we're developing at Michigan Central. It becomes a thriving destination for all Detroiters, for visitors from the region, from around the country and the world. It becomes a real hub of activity, unlike anywhere, not just in the city, but frankly, anywhere in the country.
The hope is to soon have some retail and dining in here. No details yet. They remain pretty vague. Now, this particular space was once a restaurant. It could become one again. It's not entirely finished. Same with what they once called the reading room. It's very well restored, but no specifics on what it will be in the future. And the top floors that will house offices and possibly hotel rooms or condos, they're not finished, and we haven't had a lot of public description beyond just being told Ford and suppliers will work together to create the mobility plans of the future. As for the past, it hasn't always been glorious here at Michigan Central. 30-plus years of decay will also be remembered, with a few of the walls left uncovered, so you'll see some of the graffiti that was once everywhere.
Every chapter of a building's history is important because of what it represents to the people that have used this building, experienced opportunity in this building.
It's taken 3,100 workers over 1.7 million hours to get this station restored to its new glory. And the goal is to let as many people as possible get a look at their work as soon as possible. In addition to a big concert that will officially inaugurate this train station, there will also be several days of public tours. Inside Michigan Central Station, I'm Autobeat reporter Jeff Gilbert.